Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to cover how to multiply and divide mixed numbers. We'll go through one example each and I'll explain each step as we work through that problem. But before starting our today's video, if you have any confusion in understanding multiplication and division of fractions, then you can watch my video whose link is given above. Now let's get started. So, first of all, we are going to learn about how to multiply mixed numbers. For that purpose, look at the example 1 whole 1 by 2 multiply by 2 whole 1 by 5. Now here, as you can see, these fractions are in mixed form. So we call these kind of fractions as mixed numbers. The first fraction is 1 whole 1 by 2 and the second fraction is 2 whole 1 by 5. So the first step is to convert these mixed numbers into fraction, an improper fraction. So first of all, converting the first fraction, we will have 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 gives us 3. So numerator will be 3 and denominator will remain same, that is 2. So we got 3 by 2 as first fraction. Put the multiplication sign and then solve the second fraction. Multiply denominator with the mixed number 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 1 gives us 11. So the numerator becomes 11 and denominator remains same, that is 5. So the fraction became 3 by 2 multiplied by 11 by 5. Now just solve this fraction straight across. This means that what you have to do is simply multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So multiplying numerator with numerator, 11 times 3 is 33 and 5 times 2 is 10. So we got 33 by 10. But as you can see, 33 by 10 is an improper fraction. So we have to convert improper fraction into mixed number. Converting 33 by 10 into mixed number, we will have 3 whole 3 by 10. Now, we can't solve it further, so this is the answer for multiplying mixed numbers. Now, look at the example for dividing mixed numbers. So, the fractions are 2 whole 4 by 5 divided by 3 whole 1 by 2. And we call these fractions as mixed numbers. So first of all, solving the first fraction, 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 gives us 14. So the numerator will be 14 and denominator remains same. That is 5. So the first fraction is 14 by 5. Now division sign will remain as it is. Now solve the second fraction. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. The fraction becomes 7 by 2. Now 14 by 5 divided by 7 by 2. Now solve these fractions in the same way as we solved the fractions in the previous video. So for dividing fractions, we have to follow the rule of keep, switch and flip. So applying this rule, we will keep the first fraction same, that is 14 by 5 will remain same. Now we will switch the sign from division to multiplication, as opposite of division is multiplication, and we will flip the second fraction. So flipping second fraction, we will get 2 by 7. Now we got multiplication sign, so just multiply these fractions straight across. So multiplying numerator with numerator, 14 times 2 is 28 and 7 times 5 is 35. The fraction is 28 by 35. As you can see, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. We call this kind of fraction as a proper fraction. We are going to stop our solution here as we can't solve it further. So this is the answer for the example of dividing mixed numbers. Now it's your turn to try some questions. So I have given you two questions here. One is for multiplication, that is 2 whole 5 by 7 into 3 whole 9 by 15. And the second question is with division, that is 5 whole 3 by 5 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. Try to solve these questions and tell me the answer in the comments below. I hope you understood today's video, today's concept. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.